Hey traders, this is Steve Miley for FX Explained, and we're here looking at the pound against the US dollar, GBPUSD. And critically in here, we had this breakout, a surge higher yesterday above the psychological kind of 130 area. The market had been above there back here in late October up to 130.13, but been reluctant on a number of occasions to retest this 130 level, but surging above both 130 and 130.13, likely triggered in here by a more positive poll for the Conservative Party. And the polls and the opinion polls for the general election in here have been showing a narrowing of the gap between the Conservative and Labour parties over the past week, which the market didn't particularly like, but over the last 24 hours we've seen that theme kind of halting and stalling. The Conservative Party doing well in the more recent polls over the past 24 hours, and then that allowing and encouraging the surge higher in here in the pound, up through 130, up through 130.13 to a new multi-month high in here, and that's encouraging from a technical perspective, and the market likes the fact that the more of a potential for a Conservative majority, and giving more certainty to market, more certainty around Brexit. So the market's surging on that, and then defending that rally in here right at the top in here of where we got up to yesterday, going into Thursday's trading. So all the threats now to the upside, and we see the risk, the immediate risk, really up towards a minor target at 131.36, and then 131.37, maybe even as high, 131.77, and then maybe even as high through 132 up to 132.12. Really, it's going to take a push all the way back down through here at 130.36 to shift the very immediate risk back lower in here. So very much a more positive outlook for the pound in here in the short term, for the balance of this week, and potentially now on the run into the next week's general election. This has been Steve Miley for FX Explained. Please do follow us on our YouTube channel. I'll be back with you soon. Until then, have a great trading day.